There are 5 features built into the pre-week planner: gratitude reflection, drawing board, mission in progress, personal planner or tracker, and your cue. The gratitude reflection is all about celebrating the little things. You can use it to write down 3 wins from the week before, 3 things that you're grateful for, or 3 standout moments. The goal here is to end and start your week on a more positive note. The drawing board is extra space that is built into your diary. Instead of reaching for a sticky note or a notepad for random list writing or note taking, you've got that extra space built into your planner. This means you can keep everything in one place instead of across multiple notebooks and scrap pieces of paper. The dot grid strikes the perfect balance between structure and flexibility. Although it's called a drawing board, it is not designed exclusively for creative purposes. Drawing is just one of the many ways you can use this dot grid. The dots provide more structure than a blank space, which means you can write more neatly, but it also provides a framework for mind mapping, doodling, sketching concepts. Bottom line, it can be customized to suit your needs. You might use it to write a journal entry one week and then brainstorm business ideas the following week. You might use the dot grid to write a big to-do list and then slowly feed that into your weekly spread, or you might use it to write down affirmations and quotes for the week ahead. If you'd like to see how other Curation users are using their drawing board, check out the link below. The Mission in Progress section connects back to the goals that you've set earlier in the year. It's designed to keep your long-term goals top of mind by prompting you to think about what you can do each week to bring yourself closer to achieving those goals. It's so easy to set your intentions at the beginning of the year and then completely forget about them. That's why we added the Mission in Progress section. To remind you, to help you stay on track, and to help you get back on track when you do find yourself drifting off course. What we recommend each week is to flip back to the missions, to the goals that you've planned for the year, and to take a look at the steps required for each mission. Then ask yourself, what can I realistically complete this week? If you are not pursuing any goals at the time, you can use this section as a weekly priority list. Simply list your top 5 priorities for the week. That's what I personally like to do if I don't have any major goals on the go. The table that we are now calling the personal planner or tracker was previously used as a weekly meal planner, but thanks to your feedback, we've learnt that it can be used for so much more than that. So we've kept the days of the week on the side, but removed the headings so that you can customize this space to suit your needs. Think of it as a multi-purpose space. You might choose to use it as a weekly meal planner, just as we previously had it, or you might reserve one column to plan your dinners, another for workouts, and another for scheduling study for a course you might be taking. You could also use it as a daily food tracker or a mood tracker. It's completely up to you. You have the option to change what you use this space for as you move through the year. Your Cue is a series of weekly challenges and prompts. We've included a combination of comfort zone and mindfulness challenges to encourage you to step out of your comfort zone, to try something new, and to encourage a little more mindfulness as you move through each week.